Before installation, lay the panels flat in a horizontal position for 24 hours to let them acclimate. Prepare the wool by cleaning, leveling and degreasing it. If the area is prone to moisture, apply a waterproof membrane to the wool and wait 12 hours for it to cure before continuing. Check the wool's horizontal and vertical alignment. When installing, always orient the tongue of the panel upward. Measure and cut to fit as needed. Apply a hybrid polymer adhesive to the back. Leaving about half a centimetre from the edges to prevent overflow during installation. Press the panel against the wool using both hands, ensuring it aligns with the horizontal line. A small amount of silicone should be applied just above the panel tongue to ensure proper sealing between panels as the next piece is installed. Install subsequent panels in the same way, pressing each tightly against the previous one. For external corners, you can either cut panels at a 45-degree angle or use a finishing trim. If cutting by hand, use tape to hold them in place while setting the joint. For internal corners, trims are not needed. Just push one panel against the other. Just leave a 2 to 4 mm gap for expansion. Secure with tape and seal the joint with acrylic or silicone cork. To cut round holes for fixtures or outlets, a hole saw is recommended. However, the material is easy to work with and can also be cut using a multi-tool. Decorative elements like mirrors, hooks or cabinets can be mounted on the wall after installation. Be sure to anchor these items into the panel installation surface and wait 12 to 24 hours before adding any weight. The panels are easy to clean and maintain. These panels are thin enough to be installed directly over old, stable tile surfaces, saving time and reducing demolition waste. With these EasyWall panel tiles, it's possible to transform a space quickly and easily. No professional help required. The result? A beautifully updated room that feels fresh and new.